Is there any question from module 1? Okay, then we are starting module 2. Like here we have a topic and tools, what we are going to cover today. Like find station. As you know, we can find in Excel sheet by using Control F, and the tool is in Home tab is the option in editing group. Find and select. We can find, but here is find special. Anything from just normal find you can also find the formatting and all that will be covered. And as we already discussed about the advanced filter is something like when you are going to filter by using color or by using font color, by highlight and shading. It is not just filter. If I tell you about filter, we had a category like male and female or a mark sheet of pass or fail. When we are going to see only fail persons, so by using filter, we already covered in yesterday's module. That's why I'm not covering now. Just a brief introduction. So we can we can filter only fail person or maybe pass person. Advanced filter, it could be filter depend on the color of font, color of cell, anything. Today we are going to cover pivot table and pivot chart. Pivot table is something which identify your data, identify your numbers or anything. Data, it can be separated into four format or four things. First is numeric. It can be calculated by some average anything which we already discussed. And in the cell or in the row, in the column, or in the other form. The chart sheet we will discuss when we are going to convert pivot. When we are going to discuss pivot table, we will discuss the thing. Then timeline slicer related to pivot table, cell protection, column protection, file password. All these things are as a tool we are going to cover today. And there are lots of functions also which we didn't cover in yesterday's class. Like nested if, before nested if, I'll just introduce the if condition and the conditions or multiple conditions are there. So one of the best conditions is if condition. Then the lookup functions. The advanced lookup, it can be converted into index and match, sum product, row, subtotal. These are the functions which we are going to use today. So that is why I'm just asking if you have any question or anything related to yesterday class or yesterday module, you can ask. So यहाँ पे second sheet is there. यहाँ पे we will going to discuss about the cell, log cell, or we will work on range. For example, you can see there is two types of shading, like there is blue one and yellow one. Yeah. One of them I'll just log one yellow cell, yellow range, or another I'm going to log the blue one. Okay. So how we can do this? First, you need to select a range. For example, I just select this range, or it will be good if you are going to do at the same time. Okay. For example, I just select this one and I highlighted this from different color. Now we have two range inside of one range. First one is this, another is this. For an example, I want to write in yellow cell, but not into these cells, these remaining cells. Okay. So what we can do, or as a vice versa, we can write in these cells, not in yellow cells. That's why I request you please download the file and do the same at the same time. You will never get the confused. So just select the whole range, then right click and go to format cell. As we discussed now, the format cell. And there is an option. Yesterday we discussed about number format, and today we are going to discuss about protection. Protection is something the log and hidden. Two options are there. So यहाँ पे इस range में we are going to log these things. Okay, to identify where we want to use the protection. Log cell first. I log everything in the range. Then okay. Then I'm going to different this one from this range. I'm going to differentiate this thing. So then select small range, right click, format cell, go to protection and unlock it. Okay. Now you can see these all things I log first. Then from here, from this range, I unlock only this thing. So now I can say the range is separate from the yellow one. Now I need to protect. go to select whole array, then protect. Go to review tab, then protect sheet, protect workbook. Click on protect. There is a protect log cell or protect unlog cell. Okay. There are two options: protect log cell or protect unlog cell. तो जो आपको लॉक करना है, this was the unlock, yellow one was the unlock and this one was lock. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to select only one log cell and I type a password, for example 123. Again I correct re-enter the password 123 1. If I type here 2 in yellow cell, it will be typed, and when I going to use this one 6, it will show error. The range is protected, so I cannot type anything. Okay. Is there any question you want to ask? This video we are going to discuss the we are going to see the chat box also. Yesterday we missed lots of questions. Okay, is it clear to you? If हमें इस range में से we need to select these range, then we need to separate this one, and we want to log whole range except this one. So how we are going to do? Just one log a range, then unlock another range inside the range. Then you can log one thing and unlock one thing. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, it is clear.
So you can try at the same time. So it will be